is Julia and I am a student at 청담 평촌. Today we will be discussing which is better, studying alone or studying in groups. Some of my students prefer studying alone and some of them prefer studying in groups. What's your opinion? I think it is better to study alone for two reasons. First, I think it's easier to concentrate by studying alone than by studying in groups, because when I am studying alone, I finish at 1 hour 30 minutes, but when I am studying in groups, I finish at 3 hours 40 minutes. I think the reason is if I meet with my friends, I feeling like having fun, so I talk with my friends a lot of time and I'm not concentrate. I think the study for best is focusing, so studying alone wastes less time than studying in groups. Second, I think that studying alone is more fun. It's my opinion, but if I am studying in groups, when I'm talking and start the studying, I will not want to this and bored than studying alone. Also, if I am studying alone, I can imagine more and it is more comfortable. For example, if I am studying English alone, I writing many for homework, and if I writing for English, I should need many ideas, and I think it is good for many ideas is alone. In conclusion, I think it is better to study alone. First, I think it's easier to concentrate by studying in alone than by in groups. Second, I think that studying alone is more fun. Thank you for listening to my presentation.